Day one of the workshop. Yeah, let's get it going.
This is day one of the workshop and I'm super excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited for the first day.
This is day one of the workshop and I'm excited to go.
Day one of the workshop, I'm super excited, looking forward to it.
Day one of the workshop, and I'm excited.
Day one of the workshop, excited.
Hi, this is Dr. Binu George and I'm here for the day one of the workshop for leading and managing in a global environment. I'm really excited to go.
Hi, day one, really excited.
Hi, I'm Rehab. This is day one of the workshop and I'm super excited.
This is day one of the workshop and I'm excited.
It's day one workshop and I'm excited.
I have mixed feeling, excited, at the same time a bit scared, but really looking forward.
This is day one for the workshop. I'm super excited.
First day of the workshop. The setup here is really nice. We see the course lecturer, the leader, actually on the screen as well as the rest of the room. I'm here to support the students. We've got plenty of social distancing here and it's a fabulous setup, so I'm looking forward to this. I think it's going to go very smoothly and it's very much like a regular workshop, which is nice to have that back.